Justin Haywald here with a Gamespot breaking news update. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt has been officially delayed until February 2015. CD Projekt Red's hotly anticipated role-playing game, The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt, has been delayed from fall later this year to February 2015. CD Projekt Red management announced the news today in an open letter to fans. The letter reads, "Ever since we started working on the third installment in the Witcher franchise, it's been our aim to produce a title that would take our 11 years of experience in creating RPGs and distill them into a quintessence, into a game that would effectively crown those years. We've created a story that flows naturally, cinematically, rendered it in amazing sound and visuals while preserving full freedom of choice. We recently re-examined what we had achieved thus far and faced a choice about the game's final release date. The decision we made was difficult, thoroughly considered, and ultimately clear and obvious. We concluded that a few additional months will let us achieve the quality that will satisfy us, the quality gamers expect from us. Consequently, we've set the release date of The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt for February 2015. You can read the entire letter on Gamespot, and we'll keep you updated as this story develops.